Hey folks, Dan from Precision Mobile Auto Detailing here, working on this 77 Corvette again. So we're in the process of removing the oxidation off of the paint and getting it all shined up again, and we're using Meguiar's number 7. Readily available, but if you don't want to do this by hand, I don't recommend it if you don't have the endurance to handle this, as this is a lot of work, a lot of rubbing by hand. That says you can apply it by machine or hand, but being that this is 40-year-old paint, no machine is going to touch this paint. So anyways, I wanted to show you just how much dead paint and oxidation this will remove off these T-tops. The back half of this car seems to be the worst. The front half wasn't too bad. But what I'm going to do is, as always, very liberal, heavy, wet, however you want to call it, and work a 2x2 section. And when you're doing this, and I've probably said it before, if you ain't breathing heavy and working up a sweat, you ain't doing it right. And I should have showed you beforehand, but the towel, these are white towels, white terry towels, and it was nice and clean and white before I started this. And yeah, it's not too bad. But you can see, you can make out my handprint, and you can see all the dead, that's all dead paint just flaking off, and oxidation coming up from the paint. And what we'll do is find a clean side. And always remember when you do this too, if it's got a tag along the edge somewhere, rip it off. Even though we will be doing some polishing on this paint afterwards. Less scratches and stuff we put into the paint, the better. Less work I got when you go to polish. I just really work it in. I'm going to do overlapping. So I'm overlapping a little bit into the previous section just to make sure you get good coverage. That's why you fold the towel in fours too, so you get good coverage. And you put a little bit of padding between you and your hand, so you're not just digging your fingers in, so you're not creating this pattern of like finger swirls into the paint. This will get more evenly distributed. Over this section again. There you go. And the more you do it, this is just the first step. This will sit for 12 hours, we'll come back, we'll wipe it off, and then we'll start reapplying Meguiar's number 7 again by towel. And we probably pull up some more. I mean, this pulled up a decent amount, and that's mostly from the back half. And the longer you let it sit, the more stuff it's going to pull up. So when I come back tomorrow and start doing this with clean towels again, I'm going to find more contamination, oxidation, and dead paint on the towels. So that's the whole process. I just wanted to show you just what I'm actually pulling up as I'm doing this, that I am pulling up dead paint and the oxidation off the paint. So excuse the motorcycles, but thanks for tuning in. If you guys have any more questions, you can visit the website at precisionmobileautodetailing.com. You can email me at info@mobilefinish.com, or you can even give me a call at 716-316-7072. Thanks for watching. Love all you guys. Take care.